Hi friends, hope you are all doing well. Today I've come with a video in which I will make a simple vacuum cleaner with this old Coca-Cola bottle. You can use any soda bottle you want. So without waiting, let's get into the video. Now I'm going to cut and remove this part because we don't need it. Now I've removed this part, I've put it inside. Finally, it should be like this. Now we need to make a fan. For making the fan, I've taken an aluminium sheet. What we'll do with the fan is we'll put it in here. So we need its diameter to be less than the diameter of the bottle. So the diameter is around 10 centimeters. So for the diameter of the fan, we'll make it 8. I'm measuring 4 centimeter radius with the compass so we can make a circle. The circle is ready. Now we will divide it into 8 parts. We'll cut it into 8 fan leaves. Now I've cut it, let us bend it inside and make it like a fan. Now the fan is ready. I'm going to make a hole in the center. I'm using a 12 volt DC motor for this. I am going to connect the fan to the motor shaft. For that I'll use MC. This will help it connect for me. So let us fix it. Now it will take almost 2 hours for it to settle down. Now it has settled down. So now I'm going to make a hole using a soldering iron about the size of this motor so I can fit it properly. And now we are going to make holes over here we had tried to make many holes because the air that is being sucked in can go out. Now I made the holes, let us fix the motor through inside. So I fixed the motor. I also added 2 wires and I cut some more holes so the air can pass out. Now I am going to use the glue gun to secure the motor firmly. You should make it firm so it does not vibrate when it is working. So it is ready. Let's see if it is working. For this I am using a 12-volt battery. Now I am going to cut the sieve because I am going to be using it as a net to catch all the dust particles and dirt instead of going out with the air. Now I've cut it. I'm going to stick it here with double-sided tape. Now I've sticked it. I've sticked it securely so there's no gap between the sieve and the wall of the bottle, so no dust can escape. Now I'm going to fix the other part of the bottle on top. Now I've fixed it. Now I am going to fix this pipe here. So it's almost done. I've made this thermocol handle so I can stick it here and I can handle it more easily. Now it's finished. Let's see if it will work. So now you can see it is working and it's collected all the dust particles. After you finish your work, you can remove it and throw the dust away. So the working principle of this vacuum cleaner is like the vacuum is the same with the vacuum cleaners used in other homes and offices. The fan pulls air from the atmosphere, and with the air it also pulls dust particles. The dust particles will stop at the filter and the air will pass through. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you.